Hello everyone. Today we are doing sound E. E and A make sound E with long sound E. Yeah. So you have to remember when we are doing E sound, there are long E sound words and there are short E sound word. So we are doing long E sound word here, like treat. T, R, E, T. So can you see, like when I'm saying treat, so its sound is going long. So T, R, E, T. Treat. Eat. Eat. So here the sound is long. Eat. Eat. Meat. Eat. Meat. This meat means which we are eating, like chicken, lamb, that sort of meat. Heat. Eat. Heat. Read. R, E, D. Read. R, E, D. Read. Bean. B, E, N. Bean. Beat. B, E, T. Beat. Yeah. So this you have to remember. We are doing E and A make sound E with long E sound. Let's do it together. R, E, D. Read. B, E, N. Bean. M, E, T. Meat. E, T. Eat. T, R, E, T. Treat. B, E, T. Beat. H, E, T. Heat. Making sound E with long E. Read. Bean. Meat. Eat. Treat. Beat. Heat. Now you can make your own words and make with the long E sound. Thank you.